Introducing the new Slinky Can.
It can be used in so many ways.
You can put your stuff in it.
Oh my God.
The Slinky Can be used as a hat. You can put your stuff in it.
Go.
Hi, I'm a math teacher, or at least I play one at Congress Middle School. I bought a Slinky Can, oh my goodness, like 3 months ago, and I found they'll hold lots of stuff, like 2-year-old children and cats that annoy me. I highly recommend a Slinky Can, and I think everybody should own one.
To get your Slinky Can, you can call 867-5309. And if you purchase a Slinky Can, you will get a second one half off. But wait! If you buy the second one, you will get the third one absolutely free. Everybody has one!